Senator Mark Kelly helped introduce the Brandon Act that could help members of the military with their mental health. Elements of the legislation was passed into law as part of the National Defense Authorization Act signed into law by President Biden. Cronkite News reporter Valeria Rodriguez explains why this proposal might help veterans suffering from depression.
Tragedy turns in an act that could save millions of lives. Terry and Patrick Casavera lost their only child to suicide after his time in the military. They advocated for Brandon Act, which helps militaries who are experiencing mental health emergencies. 1 in 5 suicide victims in Arizona were veterans, according to a recent ASU study. Therapist Yvette Alvarez, who works with various people in the military, explains how the lack of emotional safety can potentially leave military service members to ending their lives.
And when you're dealing with people who are severely depressed, that are suicidal or attempting suicide, oftentimes there's a lack of emotional safety. And so any kind of safety that can wrap around a patient in order to get that help will be beneficial for them.
Senator Mark Kelly came together with Brandon's parents to create this act.
And I worked with some of my colleagues to get across the finish line, and it's in the defense bill. And now the services are going to be required to have a plan and have training and a process where service members can get the mental health services they need to get through tough times, tough serving in the military.
Kelly served 25 years in the Navy, and he says he knows firsthand what it's like to see others struggle.
And I saw in my career, folks that really struggled, and the DoD needs to do a better job, and this is a good step.
This bill has the potential to transform the future for veterans in being able to seek mental health services.
This would be at least a step forward in people being able to get the help that they need and also to feel a little more protected.
Senator Mark Kelly is hopeful for a positive outcome.
These kind of things play out in data. What I hope to see is a decrease in the number of folks that wind up ending their lives because of a mental health crisis.
The Veteran Crisis Hotline is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and can be reached at 800-273-8255 by pressing 1, or it can be accessed online by veteranscrisisline.net. In the newsroom, Valeria Rodriguez, Cronkite News.